Dangers of watching every tick are twofold. Overtrading and increased chances of prematurely liquidating good positions. We tend to perceive ourselves as winners. But successful traders are always focusing on their losses. Throughout my financial career, I have continually witnessed examples of other people that I have known being ruined by a failure to respect risk. If you don't take a hard look at risk, it will take you. I don't see markets. I see risks, rewards, and money. I don't think you can get to be a really good investor over a broad range without doing a massive amount of reading. I don't think any one book will do it for you. In the short run, the market is a voting machine. But in the long run it is a weighing machine. It's not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives. It's what we do consistently. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. Investing should be more like watching paint dry or watching grass grow. If you want excitement, take $800 and go to Las Vegas. The fundamental law of investing is the uncertainty of the future. You can be free. You can live and work anywhere in the world. You can be independent from routine and not answer to anybody. You have to identify your weaknesses and work to change. Keep a trading diary, write down your reasons for entering and exiting every trade. Sheer will and determination is no substitute for something that actually works.